Stop wondering if your PS5 is listening to your conversations. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable PS5 voice data collection in just a few clicks. Welcome to For Real. Let's secure your privacy. If you've ever felt a little uneasy about your console collecting voice data, even for good reasons, you're not alone. In an age where privacy is everything, knowing you have control over your data is crucial. It can feel invasive, but luckily, Sony gives us a very easy way to opt out. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step through the PS5 menus to turn this feature off for good. This won't disable any voice features you actually use, like party chat or voice commands. It just stops the data from being collected for analysis. It's the best of both worlds. Did you know that when this feature was first announced, it caused a huge stir in the gaming community? Sony had to clarify that they don't continuously monitor or eavesdrop on conversations, and that the voice chat recording feature is primarily for moderation and reporting toxic behavior. The setting we're changing today is about the optional data collection used to improve their services, not the reporting feature. A little context makes a big difference. Okay, let's get right into it. From your PS5's main home screen, the first thing you need to do is go to the Settings menu. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a small gear icon. Just navigate up and over to it and press X. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different options. We're looking for Users and Accounts. It's usually the fourth one down. This is where you manage everything related to your profile, sign-in settings, and, of course, privacy. Go ahead and select Users and Accounts. Quick pause. If you're finding this guide helpful and are already feeling more in control of your PS5, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube I'm doing a good job and helps other gamers find this video. Thanks. Now let's get to the important part. Inside Users and Accounts, you'll see a few tabs on the left. Make sure the Account tab is selected, and then on the right, look for the Privacy option. Click on that. This is the central hub for all your PS5 privacy settings, and it's a great menu to explore later if you want to lock down your profile even more. Now that we're in the Privacy section, you'll see several submenus. We need to scroll down to the one titled Control How Your Data is Collected and Used. It's near the bottom. Under this heading, you'll see Voice Data Collection. That's our target. Select it. This is the final and most important step. On this screen, you'll be presented with two choices: Allow and Don't Allow. By default, it might be set to Allow. The text explains that this data is used to improve voice features. To stop sharing this data, simply move the selection to Don't Allow and press X. A check mark will appear next to it, confirming your choice. And that's it. You've done it. Here's a pro tip for you. While you're in this privacy menu, take a moment to review the other options under Control How Your Data is Collected and Used, like Data You Provide and Personalization. You can choose between full and limited data collection for other things, which can reduce the amount of non-essential gameplay and system data you share. It's always a good idea to be aware of what you're sharing and customize it to your comfort level. And there you have it. In just 5 simple steps, you now know exactly how to disable voice data collection on your PS5. No more worrying about unwanted data sharing. You can now game with better peace of mind, knowing your private conversations are staying private. If you found this tutorial useful and want more no-nonsense tips for your PlayStation, PC, or other gaming gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more videos from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out today. And let me know in the comments, what other PS5 setting are you curious about? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.